Over 75% of European companies report difficulties in finding employees with AI-related technical and managerial skills, slowing their digital transformation efforts. The following are important skills to master in 2025 AI-related technical and managerial skills. Technical skills. 1. Programming and software development. Languages: Python, R, Java, or C++ for AI model development. Frameworks: TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras for creating machine learning models. 2. Data analysis and pre-processing. Skills: cleaning, structuring, and analyzing data using tools like Pandas, NumPy, and Excel. And visualization: Power BI, Tableau, or Matplotlib for presenting insights. 3. Machine learning, ML. Understanding ML algorithms like regression, decision trees, clustering, and reinforcement learning. Experience in training, testing, and optimizing ML models. 4. Deep learning. Designing neural networks using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Knowledge of convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs. 5. Natural language processing, NLP. Techniques: sentiment analysis, language translation, and chatbots. Tools: NLTK, SPACI, or Hugging Face. 6. Big data management tools: Hadoop, Apache Spark, or similar frameworks for handling large datasets. Proficiency in databases like SQL or NoSQL, e.g. MongoDB. 7. Cloud computing platforms: AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure for deploying AI models. Tools: Docker and Kubernetes for containerization and scalability. 8. Artificial intelligence ethics. Understanding the ethical implications of AI systems, including bias, fairness, and accountability. Managerial skills. 1. Strategic thinking. Aligning AI initiatives with organizational goals. Identifying opportunities to leverage AI for competitive advantage. 2. Project management tools: Jira, Trello, or Asana for managing AI projects. Techniques: Agile or Scrum methodologies. 3. Cross-functional collaboration. Coordinating between technical teams, developers, data scientists, and business teams. Translating technical insights into actionable business strategies. 4. AI governance and compliance. Establishing policies for ethical AI use. Ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR or other data protection laws. 5. Problem solving and decision-making. Using data-driven insights to solve business problems. Prioritizing AI projects based on ROI and feasibility. 6. Stakeholder management. Communicating AI concepts to non-technical stakeholders. Managing expectations and securing buy-in for AI initiatives. 7. Leadership in innovation. Driving a culture of experimentation and innovation. Staying updated on AI trends to guide organizational direction. 8. Risk management. Assessing and mitigating risks related to AI deployment, such as model failures or cybersecurity threats. Both sets of skills are crucial for organizations looking to successfully implement and manage AI technologies in real-world scenarios.